Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Medaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the video capture file creations failed error that you're experiencing with the camera up on your computer, with the error message show something went wrong. Sorry, we weren't able to save the video. If you need it, here's the error code 0xe00F425C. Video capture file creation spelled -0x80270200. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then dito sa search for apps ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung troubleshoot settings, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa troubleshoots, and then under dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent, and then scroll down. And then dito lang sa others ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung camera. And then dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong run. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then madadirect tayo dito sa help and support. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito sa help and support homepage ay kailangan lang natin ipano kung ano yung mga step-by-step procedure method na ating gagawin para mag-guide tayo kung paano natin ayusin yung ating camera. Okay, so nandito lahat yung kailangan natin na mga informations details. So kailangan mo lang ipano isa't isa, alright? So after dito, kapag napalo mo na yan, in hope na na-resolve yung problem or the error. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang sa search menu, so click mo lang ulit, and then dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings, and then click mo lang dito yung open, and then next step ay, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung apps, so click mo lang yan, and then dito sa apps, ay yung pinakauna lang ito yung installed apps, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa install apps, dito lang sa search apps ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung camera at makikita mo kaagad dito mga kaibigan. So camera, Microsoft Corporations. So ang next step, dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. Click mo lang yan. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong advanced option. And then dito sa advanced options, ang next step, so scroll down. And then dito lang sa reset, so kailangan lang natin itong i-repair. Okay, so if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. If the error still persists talaga, so ang gagawin natin ay click mo lang dito yung repair and then wait natin na ma-complete. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na repair complete, and that if this app still isn't working right, so kailangan mo na itong i-reset kung ganun pa rin nag-i-error. Alright, so next, kailangan mo lang i-click tong reset. And then makikita mo itong pop-up message na this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Okay? So, i-click mo lang itong reset and then wait natin na ma-complete yung reset procedure. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na complete na yung repair and reset. So, ang next step natin gagawin, so close lang natin itong settings and then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart para ma-fix yung problem. Alright, so ganoon na po kasimple on how to fix video capture file creation spelled camera up error. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.